Reed here with another coconut update. We have flowers opening, so you know, Mr. Mako are back in the tree tail again. We documenting all the steps. Never seen it for myself, so you know, taking the opportunity to see it for myself and share it with you all. Strange, you know, watching how these things just come from. Look what a coconut coming from. This little thing. Picture that. Yeah. So we gotta give it a little more time again and see if any start catching. Although I'm watching these ones that come out since the beginning. There are a few of them. But you know, we go keep macoing. So stay tuned, subscribe, share, stay updated. Yeah.